Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be baking something completely fun, delicious. They are adorable. I call these root beer float mini Bundt sandwich cakes. They're so good. You guys are gonna love them. So let's go over these delicious ingredients. All-purpose flour, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, butter, your favorite root beer extract, vanilla extract, maraschino cherries, and a spice simple syrup. Now let's begin making our spice simple syrup. Add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Then grab your tea bag and add in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of allspice, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. Now tie up your tea bag and then drop it in your water. Now bring your water to a boil, then reduce down from 1 cup of liquid to a half a cup of syrup. Okay, so let's begin making that delicious cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, add in 3/4 cup of softened butter, 3 large eggs, then add in 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Next, I'll be adding in 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, then a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll be adding in 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of root beer extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, then 1/4 cup of that spice simple syrup. Now add in 1 cup of your favorite root beer, then blend together until your mixture is nice and creamy. Right, so now let's set our oven to 350 and then we're going to start filling our little pans with the batter. I just grabbed a cute little mini Bundt cake pan. You can get any decorative Bundt little minis of your choice. It really doesn't matter. These are just what I had. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some nonstick spray, and then I'm going to add my batter about 3/4 cup of the way. You don't want them too high. All right, let's get started. Make sure to give a nice even coat of your spray, that way to prevent your cake batter from sticking. Then go ahead and grab a little spoon and then begin filling your mixture into your pan about 3/4 cup of the way. Okay, so these are all ready to go in the oven now. We're going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. So go ahead and remove from the oven and then set aside to let cool. So while our little mini Bundt cakes are cooling in the back, I'm going to go ahead and get started on this delicious frosting. So let's begin by adding 1 cup of softened butter. Now I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of root beer extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, then 2 tablespoons of that delicious spice syrup. Now go ahead and start to blend together your mixture and gradually add in 3 cups of powdered sugar. You want to continue to blend your frosting until it looks light, airy, and fluffy. All right, so now that these have cooled off, I went ahead and I cut the tops off because that's all we're going to be using. I'm going to start frosting them and they're going to be so cute. We're going to start making little sandwich cakes out of these. Now you're going to want to grab a piping bag. Then go ahead and stuff it full with that frosting. Now get your swirl on. Now grab that other top and stack it together to make your little sandwich. Now go ahead and add another little swirl on top, and then you're going to want to top it off with your cherry. Now grab a sifter, and then we're going to sprinkle on some powdered sugar on top. Okay, so look how adorable these root beer float mini Bundt sandwich cakes turned out. I love them. They're so cute. Yay. Love all the little powdered sugar. Cannot wait to sink my teeth into these. So let's go. They're so good. I love it. It'd be great. Top it off if you want to eat it with some vanilla ice cream too. It's so good. All right. I hope you guys liked this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, head over to all my social media, The Jen and Gina Show. Don't forget to watch my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay, just click the button right here. See you guys soon.